Today, I will show you how to create and animate AI influencers quickly, easily, and effectively. First, we will design our AI influencer. Then, we will generate consistent characters based on this design. Finally, we will animate our AI influencer like a real person. So, let's start. First, we will need a powerful AI art generator. So, open this page by clicking the link in the description. The tool I will be using for designing our AI influencer is Rendernet.ai. I'm using Rendernet because it's specifically designed for creating consistent characters for AI influencers. So, click on Launch App and log in with your Google account. First, we need to design a distinctive face for our AI influencer. And the most important part is to ensure this face remains consistent. So, click on the Models tab on the left panel, then select either Epic Realism or Juggernaut XL. As I found that these two models provide the best results for creating realistic images, I will select Epic Realism. Next, we need to generate a portrait image of our AI influencer with a specific personality in mind. And a simple prompt like this won't be enough to create a distinctive character. So, allow me to guide you on how to design an effective prompt and the elements you need to consider. I will divide the prompt into the following parts: ethnicity, hair, body, and style. So, first up is ethnicity. This means that you need to define if your AI influencer is white or Caucasian, Mongoloid or Asian, or Negroid or African, the country they belong to, or whether they are of mixed heritage. This way, AI can generate the precise race of your AI influencer. Next, choose a distinctive hairstyle. Observe the way 𝐼𝐚𝐽 Lopez stands out with her pink hair. The goal is to make your AI influencer unique and memorable. And for body type, include any of these in your prompt: athletic and toned, slim or slender, curvy or voluptuous, muscular and bulky, and tall and lean. Lastly, style can be defined with words like streetwear, vintage or retro, casual or everyday, sporty or athleisure, high fashion or luxury, bohemian or boho chic, and punk or gothic. You can also mention if your AI influencer has tattoos or piercings. Now, here's what you need to do. Click on the Studio tab on the left panel, and then click on Models, and you can choose multiple models from the available ones. Though I will stick with just the Epic Realism model. Then, from the top of the page, set the quality to Ultra HD and the aspect ratio to 2:3. The batch size option lets you adjust the number of images to generate. Once done, I will enter this prompt. Raw portrait, close-up photo of a young beautiful girl, full body, playful, Lebanese, busty, long curly blonde and neon pink undercut hair, realistic skin texture, tall and athletic, boho chic, wearing a tank top, flawed skin, light freckles, shot with Sony Alpha A6500 1.4F, bokeh, highly detailed, masterpiece. Lastly, the Laura Good Hands preset helps correct deformities of the hands. I chose Lebanese because their beauty and elegance are known worldwide. Here are the images that came up. Now, let's tweak the prompt and change it to Lebanese and Chinese mixed race. Then, run the prompt again, and here are the new results. You will notice that even small adjustments to the prompt can lead to significantly different outcomes. So, try out various models and prompts to craft your very own AI influencer with its unique characteristics. So, once you have found the face of your AI influencer, simply click on the image. A pop-up window will appear, offering you 3 options. So, click on Face Lock. This function ensures that the chosen face remains consistent in all future image generations. But the image needs to be a close-up photo of one person with the face clearly visible. So, I will first download the image and crop it down. Then click the Change Image button to upload the face image of our AI influencer. Now, every new image you create will consistently feature the face you uploaded, unlocked. But what about changing the pose? You may ask. For that, you may brainstorm some activities. Here are a few ideas. Mountain biking. Participating in a painting workshop. Practicing sunrise yoga. The moment of waking up. Traveling adventures. And dancing. You can also seek inspiration from the profiles of top AI influencers like 𝐖𝐚𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐠 and 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐠, to name a few. Then again, to change clothes of your AI influencer, here are some outfit ideas to explore. Teacher, date night, casual, fitness, beach, and leather. You also need to pair the outfits with various camera shots like a close-up shot, portrait, full body, upper body, and the medium shot. To use the poses and outfits in your prompt, all you have to do is make some edits directly to the prompt. For instance, just by adding this full body shot, wearing a gym outfit, modern gym. You can effortlessly adjust the appearance of the images generated. And here's the outcome. Now, it's time to animate your images and bring them to life. I will be using a tool called Pix-Verse, which can create beautiful animations like the ones you are seeing. And the best part, it's currently free. To get started, click the link in the description to open Pix-Verse. Once you are logged in, click the Create button on the top right corner. Next, in the top left corner, click on Image. Then, click Add Image and select one of the images you created of your AI influencer. Once the image is uploaded, enter this prompt. Slow motion panning, hair blowing in the wind. Next, go ahead and include any camera movement that you find appealing. Then, adjust the strength of motion to around 0.35. Enable HD quality and then click on Create. And here is the output. You should create at least 5 to 10 animations per image to find the one that works best. Repeat this process for all the images you have generated in different poses and outfits. You may also upscale your image to 4K resolution by clicking this button. Keep in mind that the tool doesn't always work perfectly. Sometimes the image quality degrades and you are limited to creating clips that are only 4 seconds long. However, this isn't really a problem since most movies have cuts every 2 to 4 seconds and it's rare for shots to be longer than 4 seconds. The key is to use your creativity to piece together a full movie from these short clips. While Pix-Verse can be inconsistent in producing great outputs, with some persistence and multiple attempts, you can create a good video. Thank you for watching. And it's been a pleasure to have you here. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends.